The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty is proud to present this 3-bedroom, 3-bath ranch.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks, Executive Broker with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty, and we'd like to take you on a tour of 307 High Avenue in Mountain Home. Come on, let's go inside. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, split bedroom plan, and look how large this living room is. On this end of the home, there's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and once again, look how huge this living room is. Ready for family and friends. And over here we have the dining room and the kitchen. The dining room is still open to the living room for entertaining, and you can also go out here to the deck where you have a nice sized large lawn. In the kitchen, you have plenty of room, lots of counter space, and some really nice cabinets. Even in the corners, these cabinets are very deep. You have your Lazy Susan, and all of the appliances are staying. The dishwasher, the range, the oven, microwave, and the refrigerator. Let's go out onto the deck. This open deck is perfect for entertaining family and friends. And you also have a large fenced-in yard for children and pets, and an above-ground pool.
Hey Heather, look what I found. Yeah, there is a wonderful shop back here.
And a perfect shop.
Let's go show them. Cement floor and electric, and it isn't insulated now, but it'd be really easy to go ahead and insulate it, and also insulate the roof. This could be heated and cooled. I think it's the perfect shop. And there's plumbing here.
Alright John, enough playing. Let's get on to look at the master bedroom. The master is just off of the dining room and the living room, and it's quite a ways away from where all the kids are making all their noise in their rooms. And this may be one of the biggest masters I've ever seen. You could definitely have a sitting area, your craft area, anything you wanted in this room. On this side, you have your closet and your laundry room, which I think is very convenient, and then your master bath. And check out the size of this master bathroom. The master bathroom has a combo, a tub, and a shower. From the living room, let's go on down the hallway to 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You have plenty of space in this guest bathroom. It has a shower and a tub combo. Here's bedroom number 1. Nice big open room and plenty of closet space. What I like about this closet is all these racks that you can hang all sorts of different clothes on. Let's go into bedroom 2. This bedroom would be perfect for a teenager because it has its own bathroom. Here's the bathroom. This bathroom has this wonderful tiled shower. And this bedroom at one point may have already had a teenager in it. This home is close to the college, the hospital, and everything here in Mountain Home, and it has a great school district.
A beautiful ranch home in a peaceful city neighborhood, close to everything the Twin Lakes area has to offer. It may be perfect for you. To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks team. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.